This is what you should have if you want a higher income or a higher position in the new year. Nain Gao. I'm gonna show you how to make Lunar New Year Cake my way.
You need 12.5 ounces of these brown sugar slabs. Also, you can substitute with 2 cups of brown sugar. Put it in a small pot with 1.5 cup of water and bring it to boil until all the sugar dissolves. Remove from the heat and let it cool down. Add 1 cup of coconut milk to speed up the cooling process. Then for the dry ingredients, you need 1 pound of glutinous rye flour. This is not the same as regular rice flour. Mix it in a bowl with 4 tablespoons of ginger powder and a pinch of salt. Traditionally, the ginger is not part of the recipe, but it gives some flavors and normally it's just sugar. Then add the syrup when it's slightly warm, little by little, while mixing. Then you need console. This is alkaline water, only 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, mix until no lumps, and strain it into another bowl just in case there is still lumps left. Grease the pan you're using with vegetable oil. The recipe calls for a 9-inch pan, but I'm using 2 4-inch pans just to fit them in my steamer. Cover with foil and steam on medium heat for 50 to 60 minutes. Then with a chopstick, check the center of the cake. Gotta be like a hard pudding and sticky. This will be sticky, so let them cool down before you transfer into a serving plate. To finish this, cover the whole with a home jug for garnish. This is a red date. I tried to pronounce everything the best I could. Respectfully, I love learning about other cultures and traditions as much as I love saying others learning about mine. So, all my Chinese friends, tell me how I did. Happy Lunar New Year.
My first time making this. I got a recipe from Lisa Lin.